Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 7. Its title is Keeping Clean. Today, under the title of Grammar, we are going to learn about naming words. So, our today's SLO is to recall and match common naming words with pictures from immediate environment. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 31, He, Allah, taught Adam alayhi salam all the names of everything. Then He, Allah, showed them to the angels and said, Tell me the names of these if you are truthful. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created everything. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala named everything. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala taught these names to Adam alayhi salam. And beta, there are so many names around us in this world, and we are not able to even know every name. But gradually, we are learning names, naming words for different things. So, can you name these things? Before starting that, let me tell you, if you look around you, wherever you are sitting, whatever is around you, that is your immediate environment. And wherever you are sitting, whatever you can see, hold, touch or feel has a name. Okay? And that is called the naming word. So, there are too many names. As I told you, we have divided these naming words into different categories. For example, person. Person means human beings. And place and thing. Thing include living and non-living both. So, do you remember in your science you have studied what are living things? So, usually how do we define living things? Which grow and they breathe. So, all the animals, birds and whatever, even plants, yes, they grow. So, they are living things, and the non-living things which cannot grow, which don't grow, and they don't breathe, they don't move usually. So, what they are, for example, a chura book, everything which is not non-living thing, that also comes in things category. So, what are naming words? Everything around us has a name, that is called naming word. It can be a person, it can be a place, and it can be a thing. And place means country, city, even your school, masjid, library, the place, okay? These are the examples of place. So, everything has a name, everything, okay? Your grammar says, naming words are names of persons. Usually, this is how we define naming words. These are names of person, place, or thing. For example, now look at these pictures and see. Boy is a naming word. Girl, it's a naming word. School, it's a naming word. Now look at these pictures and think about, can you spot more naming words? By looking at these pictures, can you say more naming words? So pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, did you name more things? For example, if you look at this picture, it's a boy. He is holding a bag. He has eyes, hair, mouth, hands, shoes, etc. You see, just within this picture, there are many naming words. She is a girl. Look at her hands, her scarf, her shirt. It's a school. There is a bus. There is sky. There are clouds. Even there is air. So, you see, there are many naming words. This is what I'm telling you. So, everything that you can see or touch or feel or hold is known as naming word or noun. And beta, wherever you are, for example, suppose this is the picture of your bedroom. So wherever you look, you find a naming word. There is a bed, there is a pillow, there is a pencil, there are books, there is a chair, there are shoes, table, tree, school bag, flowers, window, sky, wall. You see, there are many naming words. If you are sitting in your classroom, there are many things: pencil, blackboard, calendar, glue, chair, stapler, your backpack, your clips, paper clips, pins, books, ruler, desk. Even there are many more things we have not named over here, right? So this is how, beta, what we have learned so far: wherever you are, your surrounding is your immediate environment, and whatever is around you, whatever you can see, hold, touch, or feel has a name that is called a naming word. So, are you clear with the concept? All right, let's practice it through an activity. So, suppose this is a park. This is a picture of park. If you are sitting here, this park becomes your immediate environment. Whatever you find here, name it. Pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you could name many, many naming words: a man, a boy, even father, son, duck, leaves, tree, a young boy, football, dog, girl, woman, man, bag, cake, table, desk, family, fence, grass, sky, cloud. Did you name everything? So this is how, beta. Now what you will do from today, wherever you are, you will start looking around and try to find out, is there anything which I don't know? So find that name, ask whoever elder is with you, ask your elder, what is this? All right. So this is how, beta, this is how we learn. This is how we'll find more naming words. So let's practice it in your book. This is question 5. Pick the odd one out and encircle. You will look at the pictures and find out which does not go with the rest of the pictures. Pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Okay. So here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned? We learned the concept of naming words, common naming words with pictures from immediate environment, and category common naming words. So we achieved our SLO to recall and match common naming words with pictures from immediate environment. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till the time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.